President Donald J. Trump X account was hacked, or so I thought when I first saw this post. I saw this post 1 hour after the launch of the meme token Trump. Here's the website, and I'm thinking automatically, man, this is a hack. They hacked his account. This is a scam. I go to the website and I look at it. It looks official, but again, these scammers can be very smart. I see that there's a contract address right here, which is the exact same when you go to the website. And now we have listings on some exchanges that have the official Trump token. Now, when you're trying to search for Trump and you put in Trump, you get a lot of them. You have all these previously listed Trumps. Which one do you enter? Now, there's several of them that are MAGA, and it's a Trump token, and there's some that are the official Trump token. Now, here we do have the official Trump token on MEXC. This was just put on here just a few minutes ago because I just looked at this, and the only one listed was this one from Futures, and this is the MAGA Trump. So these exchanges, they are listing the official Trump token. Now, how can you tell? One is going to the contract address, which is right here on Solana, and seeing how long the token has been available. If you come over here and you click on one of these official Trumps and you see that the token has been available for several days, that's not the correct one. In addition to that, you want to make sure that the price is around the same price. You don't want to see on the Solana network, the price is $30, but then you go and you click on one of these on the exchange, or you actually go to the exchange and the price is 0.0000432. That's obviously not the right one. Now, I did post in my group 1 hour after the launch of the official token, and I said very high risk, because at this time I'm thinking, man, the account was hacked. Be careful. But here's the information with the contract address and the link to X. And since it already did a really nice move, I said enter now and have a lower bid, 45% lower, in case it does dump. People can profit. People doing exactly what you want to do, that's what they may be doing. Then in addition to that, I also showed the chart, and then I did another audio as well. And the audio basically said this post was done about an hour ago on X. It's very high risk, and there's already been seen some huge profits. Safer is you want to wait for a pivot. Then once it breaks this pivot, then you can enter the trade. But just in case you don't have a lower bid, just in case it does dump, people doing exactly what you want to do, buy low, sell high. If it does dump, then you can add to your entry, or you can enter at that price. Of course, none of this is financial advice. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And for more information on how to buy coins on DEXs, which are decentralized exchanges, make sure to join my group. In addition to that, we do have safer trades, which are on regular exchanges. Whenever you buy coins on a DEX, it's very high risk. However, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. We go live every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to have your questions and also your coins you want me to look at. Until the next time, let's make this money.